El Hadj Diop is president of the association that fights against malaria in the village of Chinaba. He meets every month with a group of village women to talk about ways to fight back against a disease that until recently was killing about half of the villagers every rainy season. Practically no one was safe from infection, and most of those who died were women and children. Villagers realized some were dying because they could not afford doctor visits, mosquito nets, and medicine to cure malaria. Last year, 50 groups of women started combining their savings in a community fund every month at meetings like this one to save for medical expenses during malaria season. To increase savings, they borrow money to fund small businesses like selling embroidery, cashews, and soap. The profits go back into the fund. Fama Jiang lost her daughter to malaria. She did not know the child's fever was deadly and never took her to the hospital. She now borrows from the fund to buy and sell cashews.
I put in almost 50 cents every month. I also borrow from the fund to sell these cashews. All the money I make goes back into the savings box.
A treasurer writes down what everyone gives. As long as a woman contributes, she can borrow for her business. But anyone will be able to borrow for malaria expenses. Since the fund was started after last year's rainy season, no one has borrowed for medical care yet. Each woman gives what she can. Ida Fall gives almost $1.
We will be able to help people buy mosquito nets with our savings. We really need this because our husbands do not make that much money.
Dr. Pap Moussa Chor is coordinator of Senegal's program to fight against malaria. Malaria continues to be the #1 killer here. But in the past 6 years, the country has cut in half the number of deaths from malaria.
The most effective strategy in our fight has been at the community level. We see fast results with village projects because they raise awareness and get people into medical care quickly.
Back in Chinaba at the savings group meeting, the women have collected $10. They now have a total of almost $100 in their metal savings box. They lock up and prepare to go home. In 6 years, malaria infections in Chinaba have reduced by half. Local health officials say no one died from malaria last year. But these villagers say they are not ready to give up the fight yet. Phuong Tran for VOA News, Dakar.